Welcome back to See My Review, your favorite spot for unboxings and honest sneaker reviews. Today, I'm super excited because we've got something fire on the table, the Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder. These sneakers have been making waves in the sneaker community, and I finally got my hands on a pair. So let's dive in and see what the hype is all about. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium quality. The all-black Durabuck upper gives it a clean, stealthy look, and those red netted underlays and eyelets really pop, hence the name Red Thunder. The craftsmanship is top tier, and that classic Jordan 4 silhouette just never goes out of style. I love the bold contrast. It makes this pair stand out without being too loud. You've also got that iconic Air Jordan flight patch stitched right onto the tongue, which is always a nostalgic touch for Jordan fans. And check out the Jumpman logo on the heel tab, clean, sharp, and classic. The red midsole adds energy to the whole design, and I can already tell these are going to be head-turners. Once you put them on, wow, they don't just look good. They feel great, too. These aren't just sneakers for flexing. They're actually built for comfort. Whether you're rocking them casually or adding them to your rotation, the Red Thunder 4s are versatile enough to handle both. One thing I've noticed is how snug the fit is around the ankle, supportive without being tight. And even if you're on your feet all day, the cushioning holds up really well. These are perfect if you want both performance and streetwear edge. You get the Jordan Legacy plus modern comfort. Can't beat that. If you enjoyed this unboxing and found the info helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to see my review, and ring that bell if you're into sneakers or fashion. And let's be honest, who isn't these days? Then /timstar.ru is a site you absolutely need to check out. It's quickly becoming a go-to destination for sneakerheads and style lovers alike, offering a massive selection of high-quality sneakers and fashion-forward items that hit all the right notes. Whether you're after the latest drops, classic retros, or exclusive collabs, timstar.ru has you covered. One of the standout features is their commitment to authenticity. Every product is thoroughly checked, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. On top of that, they keep their prices refreshingly affordable, which is a huge win in a market where hype often drives up the cost. Now, let's talk about convenience. Timstar.ru offers secure payment methods that make checkout quick and stress-free, plus they ship fast, so you're not